Hello everyone and welcome back to MORGBORG Tech. I have purchased a new backdrop for my videos. It looks the exact same as my previous one, but hopefully it looks a little cleaner because my previous one had some scratches and dings on it. So, with that out of the way, here are two different packages that I've ordered recently. These are both Alltel phones. It actually took me quite a few days to get this one here, but I finally have it. I wanted to make a video of these together, so yeah, here goes. One of them is a Samsung and the other is a Kyocera. Alright, so let's take a look at the phones in here. Here's the Samsung. This is an SCH U520. Battery is heavily bloated, unfortunately. Looks like I have it though. Not a big deal. Here's the Kyocera. I don't know what model this is, so let's just check. This looks like a KX16. Let's see if this phone has any power because the battery is not bloated. This one does not appear to have any power. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. And as always, peace.